Hey, I'm Gerrit from Extreme Kartz, where we give you expert golf cart lithium recommendations. Today, we're going to use our years of experience with Eco Battery to give you our evaluation of the battery, the company, and how to decide if they are the best fit for you and your golf cart. Eco Battery bundles include cart-specific hardware and mounting brackets, making installation one of the easiest in the industry. Plus, the unique through-hole design ensures minimal modifications needed. We're regularly impressed with Eco Battery's customer service. They are top-notch, always answering the phone, which is rare. Plus, their thriving online community is a great resource for advice. Eco Battery's BMS, or brains of the battery, is reliable with one of the lowest issue rates we've seen. Cheaper brands often have BMS shutdowns, but Eco's BMS handles amperage bursts without issue. Eco Battery pairs seamlessly with upgraded controllers like Navita's, Ultrax, or T-Con. Many of Eco's lithium competitors cannot claim the same thing. Whether you're golfing or off-roading, we like that Eco Battery has a wide range of options, from the 60 AH for golfers to the 160 AH for off-roaders. They've got you covered. Eco Battery is built to last. We've seen other lithium brands shut down, but Eco's strong partnerships with OEM manufacturers ensure they'll be around for the long haul. Quick warning, some Eco dealers have little experience with lithium batteries. Be sure to call and verify their knowledge before buying. Overall, Eco Battery is a great option, but depending on your needs, other brands might work better for you. Here are a few areas where another brand might be slightly better fit. If a budget solution is what you value most, if saving a few bucks is your top priority over the strengths I just mentioned, and if you are pretty handy and not worried about install difficulties, there are a couple other good brands that we carry that you could consider. If Eco Battery is the right fit for you, check out extremekartz.com. We guarantee the best customer experience and value for your money.